Orcarino in the cloud is a new way to utilize Orcarino as a fully installed and pre-configured solution. You can immediately start connecting your clients and supplying them with data without the time-consuming setup. Simply log into the web or command line interface as administrator and get started. Orcarino in the cloud has the same functions as a locally installed Orcarino, so you can use it as a fast and cost-efficient way to set up a proof of concept to evaluate if it meets your needs and expectations. You can then migrate to a local installation or keep using the cloud services as long as you want. With the basic package of Orcarino in the cloud, you benefit from not needing local server resources, no staff training in the installation and basic setup, a detailed online documentation, ticket support, and no time loss. Choose the package that best fits your needs, or ask us about creating a custom package just for you. For more information, go to orcarino.com or simply get in touch with us. Orcarino, simplify your data center with automation and open source.